decades, we've covered the Tijuana River sewage crisis, raw sewage, toxic air, beach closures, and communities in the South Bay forced to live with it. It's a story that I've been on the front lines of, seeing the impact firsthand multiple times. Now there's a new push to do something about it, a citizen-led effort to put a half-cent sales tax hike on the November ballot. Supporters say the money would help tackle the crisis. But as ABC 10 News reporter Karina Vargas explains, not everybody is on board.
Supporters say they've waited years for a solution to the Tijuana River sewage crisis. But as this measure heads closer to the ballot, others say they're not convinced that raising taxes is the answer. The Tijuana River sewage crisis could soon be in the hands of voters. A coalition submitted more than 151,000 signatures to qualify the San Diego Health and Safety Act for the November ballot.
We're still looking at just coming up with Band-Aids, and that is troubling when we really have to be looking at the root of the problems.
The measure proposes a half-cent sales tax increase. While some residents support cleaning up the pollution, there's worry about the financial burden on families.
I think that it's not fair to tax the people who are being poisoned by the problem.
Marvel Harrison has been an advocate in addressing the sewage crisis. She says the manufacturing companies across the border have been dumping wastewater in the Tijuana River, and they need to be held accountable.
It's not my favorite thing to pay more taxes, so I think we need to tariff those companies. I think we need to get those people in line with their $80 billion a year profits and take care of the problem.
The money from the sales tax increase would go towards stopping toxic sewage pollution from the Tijuana River, funding healthcare access and child care support, and would strengthen wildfire and 911 response.
Funding can also go to further research. It can go to increased air purifiers, so that is a sustainable program that mitigates the impacts of the public health crisis.
One thing that is agreed on by residents is that action is necessary. The San Diego County Registrar of Voters has 30 days to verify the signatures before it can head to the ballot. Karina Vargas, ABC 10 News.